Hi, this is Alex from Pandectes. Is your store selling to Connecticut? Well, then you need to comply with the CTDPA privacy regulation. It consists of having an opt-out cookie banner, a do not sell my data page where users can opt out of their data being sold, a data subject requests page where users can access, modify, or erase their data from your store, as well as support for global privacy control.
So let me show you how to implement all of those in just a few minutes. You need to go to the Shopify App Store and install Pandectes GDPR compliance. After installing it, you will be met with this dashboard. Activate the banner. And now we have a cookie banner on our store. Next, go to the settings, banner, and since this law does not require the banner to be opt-in, but rather opt-out, we can choose the preferences banner along with the lose policy. Click on save, and that's the banner part done. Now we need to configure the do not sell my data page. How to do that? Well, go to settings, do not sell my data, and copy this code. Then navigate to online store, pages, and here add a new page. Name it however you like. And in this section for show HTML, click it and paste in the code that we just copied. Click on save, and now we have the page in the store. Let's also add it to the navigation. Go to online store navigation, and in the footer menu, click on add menu item, call it do not sell my data, and link it with the page that we just created. Add it and click on save. Now we have a link to the do not sell my data page directly from our footer. Only one step left now. We have to add the data subject request page. Go to the settings, customer data requests, and click on view instructions. Here copy the code to the clipboard and go to online store pages. It's the exact same process as with the do not sell my data page. Click on add page, name it, and in the show HTML, paste in the code. Click on save, and then let's add it to our navigation. Go to navigation in the footer menu and add the new menu item and link it with the page that we just created, and click on save. That's it. The only thing to implement now is global privacy control. But the good news is that Pandectes GDPR compliance listens to the signal by default, so you do not have to do anything. You can even check it in the settings integrations. Here it is, and it is always active, listening for signals from the browser for users that have this setting enabled. And that's the setup done in just a few minutes. You can then go ahead and customize your cookie banner to suit your brand.
Thanks for watching. After implementing all of those steps, you should be compliant with Connecticut's privacy law. If you're interested in all things privacy, then check out our YouTube channel. We have a lot of content about it. Till next time.